Hey, folks, welcome to InTheMoneyStocks.com's live trading action video. My name is Gareth Soloway, Chief Market Strategist here. Today's date is Tuesday, December 12th, 2017. We'll take a look. This is the GDX chart. I just picked up some call options a little while ago on GDX, and I'm going to explain exactly why the charts told me to pick up call options on GDX. And remember, GDX is the gold miners ETF. So basically, by buying the GDX or playing calls, you're expecting gold miners to bounce. Gold has been getting hammered lately, along with the miners. You can see the chart on the miners here over the last, couple months here. Recently, this little fall off for the last 2 weeks has been brutal. But again, I have a strong signal that the gold miners are going to bounce, and I am, again, in calls based on that alert. All right, let's go over it. It's very, very simple. First off, short-term oversold, long-term over the last few months oversold, but that by itself does not give you a trade. What you need is a technical level that's going to create a bouncing opportunity. What I want you to do simply is very, very simple. See these two low pivots right here? All right, what I want you to do is basically put a trend line in right there to right there and look at what you get. Connect the two previous lows, and you get a beautiful little hit. Now, this isn't going to be a long-term trade. This isn't something where we're expecting it to go all the way back up to the highs. All I'm expecting it to do is basically trade back to this level. See how this was a pivot low point where it consolidated before breaking down? On the bounce, you should get back to that level. That's approximately $22.40, so about $1 bounce on the GDX. But if you're playing the GDX calls, which I paid $1.13 for, going out multiple months out, I mean, $1 gain on the stock, the underlying ETF, that's going to get you like 50% on the options. So this should be a really good options trade, folks. And again, you should see a good bounce back here. My hypothesis is that you're going to see the GDX rise because Bitcoin is going to start to pull back. Not that I dislike Bitcoin, I just think it's overbought short term. There's too much hype on it when literally CNBC and other stations spend, 80% of their coverage on Bitcoin. It just gets the kind of the hype way too high. So it needs to correct, it needs to pull back, and that should actually enable money to flow out of Bitcoin and out of other things into gold. I also think overall the markets are getting boxed into the end of the year and into January. You're probably going to see some fear rising about tax reform. Will it get done by the end of the year? What about the government debt ceiling? Can it be raised going into the new year, or are we going to see a government shutdown? There's a lot of little nuances here that could surprise the market, which would be beneficial for gold as well. So again, bottom line, see the trend line right here. This is a great little trend line connecting this low to this low, gives you the exact low of today. By the way, just an added bonus based on where we're currently trading, this is a bottoming tail. A bottoming tail is a reversal bottom signal, so you're getting that in addition, and that just adds credence to the trade here for a move up back to this trend line right here that I put in for a target. All right, bottom line is come join the options alerts. If you want trades like this via options, you want to know my exact contract, my exact entry price, my overall analysis, come join the options alerts, or you can take the 7-day free trial to the research center to get swing trades, and swing trades, great way to play it as well. You could play this as a swing trade for the next week or so and make a buck on it very simply on the GDX as well. All right, guys, again, come join us at InTheMoneyStocks.com. I'll see you there. Take care.